Valtakatu 36B.
Kiinteistöosakeyhtiö ja Lappeenrannan keskustelu.
Yeah.
One of the oldest elevators. Hey, should we go to the Monari? We're filming the Valmisspiirin elevator.
Yeah. No, yeah, probably. No, it's broken. Okay, that's... What?
You tried to open the door too early. It's so small. Built in 1964. Where's the serial? HH704. 3 persons of 240 kilograms. Sorry. This is so tiny.
Yeah.
One of the smallest elevators in Finland, maybe. It's like a 2 persons elevator.
Yeah.
How there can be 3 persons here? And then it got stuck. Not funny.
Inspected by Köln.
There's right, maybe.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
It's very strange.
It got stuck.
Yeah.
Or...
The lock is so
Oh.
slow. Let's hope this is not going to be modernized long time.
Yeah.
Luckily, county has been maintaining this.
Yeah.
Not crap this original. Let's wait. So let's wait again. It takes quite a long time. Is it going to be open or not? Very strange. That's it.